you score 10 out of 10, you're an anatomy master. Question 1. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? Answer A, hypertension. Question 2. What is the medical term for inflammation of the joints? Answer B, arthritis. Question 3. What is the medical term for a heart attack? Answer C, myocardial infarction. Question 4. What is the medical term for difficulty falling or staying asleep? Answer A, insomnia. Question 5. What is the medical term for high levels of sugar in the blood? Answer A, hyperglycemia. Question 6. What is the medical term for inflammation of the lining of the lungs? Answer B, pleurisy. Question 7. What is the medical term for the condition commonly known as bone loss? Answer C, osteoporosis. Question 8. What is the medical term for a surgical